Yeah, this is a storm that is getting stronger. It is forecast to become a hurricane tonight, and it will pass east of us, but it'll be close enough that we could see tropical storm conditions along the Grand Strand. We do have that tropical storm warning just issued for Georgetown, Horry, and then Brunswick County as well. That's through the day tomorrow. Satellite picture right now is showing the storm off the coast of Florida. Winds right now up to 70 miles per hour, so it is starting to strengthen. 3 Hurricane Hunter planes in that storm right now, watching it as it swirls off Florida. It is moving off to the north. The latest has a 70-mile-per-hour wind that's just below hurricane strength, and it is likely to strengthen overnight tonight. So by tomorrow morning, this is likely going to be a hurricane. Our forecast for this system over the next couple of days continues to move it north tonight. Notice along the coast, we'll likely see some rain early tomorrow morning. The spiral bands coming in, even some heavy rain right along the immediate coast for tomorrow. Some strong winds as well up to tropical storm force, and then this storm system moving away toward the outer bands. Good news is it's going to be gone by the 4th of July. I'll have more on this storm's impact for our area coming up in a few more minutes. A tropical storm Arthur continues to turn off the Florida coast, starting to move northward today. It's also getting stronger, up to 70 miles per hour. A couple of changes with this storm late this afternoon. One of them is the computer model forecasts are starting to push back to the west. They're suggesting it'll be closer to the coast. It's also a bigger storm. The eye on this storm is actually about 30 miles across, and as it organizes and strengthens overnight tonight, that could mean a bigger storm, and a bigger storm, even though it's going to be 75 miles off the Grand Strand, will still impact our weather with rain and some strong gusty winds. Forecast for the system right now is 70 miles per hour, moving north at 7 miles per hour. It's going to strengthen overnight tonight, plus it's going to start moving a little bit faster. Our forecast as we head through the overnight hours, moving off to the north, and then tomorrow taking the swing to the northeast. That's going to keep it about 75 miles offshore of the Grand Strand, but notice it will be a hurricane, 80-mile-per-hour winds as it swings by tomorrow during the afternoon hours. It will be close enough for rain and wind. Moving very close to the Outer Banks, they're likely going to see some hurricane conditions. In fact, they're under hurricane warnings for Cape Hatteras, and then the storm system quickly moving away by the 4th of July. For tonight, our calm weather will continue. Temperatures in the 80s to around 90 degrees by 7 or 8 o'clock this evening, and 8 or 88 degrees with partly cloudy conditions. Our forecast headlines for tonight, it's going to be warm and muggy. The worst weather out of this storm system will be through the day tomorrow, starting first thing in the morning, continuing into tomorrow evening, but it will clear tomorrow night. That means nice and sunny for the 4th of July. The weekend looks fantastic as well. So really just a one-day storm system moving in and out of here pretty quickly. More on the tropical storm. This is our wind forecast. The yellow area is tropical storm force winds. When we get a little red in here, that's going to be hurricane force winds. As it moves toward our area tomorrow afternoon, notice the tropical storm force winds right along the immediate coast. That means winds up to 40 miles per hour, gusting up to 50 miles per hour. So it will be a very windy day tomorrow, and then moving away tomorrow night. By Friday, the wind is far away, and it will be a calmer day on Friday. We are also expecting some rain out of this as well. In fact, a closer run to the coast means a better chance for very heavy rain right along the Grand Strand. Expect 2 to 4 inches. Once you get past, say, Gallivan's Ferry or so, or even west of Conway, it's going to be spotty showers, generally less than an inch of rain. Most of the worst weather is going to be right along the immediate coast with this storm system. Also, we've been monitoring the waves today. Notice the buoy off of Charleston. Earlier today, 3 to 4 foot waves. Right now, waves are up to 8 feet. So that is that stronger wave action moving into the Grand Strand tonight. Rip currents are going to be a big impact for tomorrow as well. So our forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy skies, a warm and muggy night. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s. Some spots in the upper 70s tonight, so it's going to feel very tropical. We should stay dry for most of the night, but during the early mornings after about 4 a.m., could see some rain moving in along the coast. For tomorrow, windy, stormy with heavy rain along the coast. Inland areas will be partly cloudy with scattered thunderstorms, so still a pretty nice day once you get west of Conway. Temperatures in the 80s at the coast, low 90s inland areas. At the beaches for tomorrow, of course, we have the tropical storm warning. East winds 25 to 40. Waves will be rough. Don't go swimming tomorrow because rip currents are going to be very dangerous. Water temperature 81 degrees. 7-day forecast looking at the stormy weather coming in for tomorrow, quickly moving away tomorrow night. So gorgeous weather for the 4th of July. Same thing on Saturday. We'll likely stay dry for the 4th and on Saturday, and just a small chance for a pop-up thunderstorm on Sunday. Next week, we're back to the heat and humidity with the regular afternoon thunderstorms. But aside for the storm coming in tomorrow, which will be fairly stormy along the Grand Strand, it is going to be a gorgeous holiday weekend.